Good morning. Welcome to Gracegarden Florist. Today I'm going to be putting together a nice arrangement with roses, and I'm going to be doing it in my hand and then putting it in the vase when I'm pretty much done. So relax and enjoy watching. And thank you for joining. Please remember to like and subscribe. I don't know if I told you that my name is Carol. I own Gracegarden Florist, and I'm happy that you've joined me today. I have 2 dozen roses, 1 dozen of these little white ones, which I believe are Eskimos, and I believe that this one is called Esperis. I'll have to look that one up. I'm sorry, I don't remember what these were. But they are gorgeous. I have all my flowers laid out. The leaves have been removed mostly. That'll fall below the water line. And any unsightly petals have been removed. So the flowers have all been inspected prior to working with them. The tulips, the bottom leaves, have also been removed from the tulips. And I believe there's 10 of them here. I tried to use the pointiest ones towards the center of the piece, and the most open ones of any flower that I'm working with towards the outside. You always want the smallest buds at the top of your arrangement and the most open ones down. I missed the thorn. I'm putting like half of what I have of each flower in, and then I'm going back, except for the astromeria. I have some astromeria, those I want to put in last. The only bad thing about this method is my hands are not very big. Now, I put a couple tulips in the center. I still want to put one here, but I'm going to put it in the vase first. because I can't hold very many more. And the tulips have stems that are easily compressed, easily smushed. And I don't want to smush them too hard by squeezing this bouquet in my hand in my attempt to keep it from moving around. And here's one. So you just pull them off like that. I have my vase up off the table on an overturned floral bucket. But I really, really like working. Now see, there you go. Here's one of my tulips. That's from holding it in my hand. Tulips can't handle it. But I like to hold the stems up next to my vessel before I cut them. This guy, oh, I have one more tulip, but this guy's good enough. And tulips will continue to grow and change their shape and their direction as they age. So they're going to get higher and sometimes go a little wild after a couple days in the vase. Continue to grow and move at their own whim. Sometimes they dangle down, sometimes they look up. The up ones I want to have come out of the center of my arrangement. And my vase is getting full, so it's getting harder and more dangerous to stick flowers in, so you have to be careful. You don't want to break any more stems. There she is. This is going to one of my beloved, loyal clients. And just got to put a little enclosure card on it and send it off. So thank you for joining me. Remember, like and subscribe. And have a wonderful day. Bye from Gracegarden Florist.